Now I like to show you after putting the laminate when we nailing the quarter round piece like this. It's really tricky because when we come to the corners like 90-degree corners, when the wall corners like this 90-degree, when we put the quarter round piece to get this 45-degree cut, really hard and tricky and too much time consuming, and I will show you easiest way how to do it, because when we putting the piece like this, one piece and another piece like this, okay, this joint is doesn't match, okay, there will be a gap. What we do, we just mark it here, okay, 45-degree angle like this, okay, and this piece, as we put it against the wall, we mark it exactly like this, okay. This is how we have to cut it, 45-degree and 45-degree angle, and the piece supposed to be sitting against a wall like this, and this piece supposed to be sitting against this wall. And when we go to the saw, one thing is very important: when you pick up the piece, keep it exactly the same way is sitting there, okay, this side against the wall. When we go to the saw, never twist it or flip it over. If you flip it, the angle will be changed, okay. That's why I mark here, okay. This way we have to align the saw blade according to this line, okay. This is a tricky part, otherwise you will mess up everything. This piece we already mark it, already marked here, okay, and we go into the saw and we show you how to cut it, okay, on this side. Okay, when we come to the saw, we could cut two ways. We could cut it. One way, we could tilt the saw blade here. There is an angle here. We can unlock the lever and we can change the saw blade like as it is here. You could tilt the saw blade. This one you have to change to 45-degree angle. Then you could cut it, okay. This is one way, okay. This is one way, but I don't recommend to do this because it's not getting good finish. When you're tilting the saw blade, the cut not straight, cut not ending up straight. That's why I am not recommending to do this. That's why I keep the saw blade straight, okay, and lock it. Now saw blade is straight. There is a base here called protractor base, okay. This blade, this base has an angle here, 60-degree up to 60-degree. You could cut it both ways, this direction and this direction. And here we mark it here 45-degree, and this is the side goes against the wall, okay. Don't forget, this side against the wall towards you, and you keep on the protractor the same side against the wall. You keep it like this, okay. Then according to the line you drawn, okay, this supposed to be straight cut from the blade. In order to be aligned both straight, you should turn protractor this way, okay. Then this marking, 45-degree marking, should be straight aligned to the saw blade. That is how you setting the protractor, okay, 45-degree angle, okay. Then this cut will be straight, okay, straight. This straight cut supposed to be into this end. You see this end? This cut start from the beginning from this angle, finishing in this corner, 90-degree corner, okay. That's what we have to careful about, okay. Let's see how it would comes up. Now we got 45-degree angle cut. Okay. Now this side is finished now. Now we going to work on this side. Okay, this is 90-degree. Now we working on this side. Okay, which is my right side. Okay, it is also you have to remember keep the same way to the saw as we laying the piece here. Okay. Now we cutting the second piece. Okay. When we come to the second piece cutting, this protractor should be on the other side. There is a two slot here, one slot here on the right side of the blade, one slot here on the left side of the blade, saw blade. And before we cut it from the right side, okay, now we change to the left side of the saw. And this angle 45 degree we have to change to other 45 on the right side. Okay, this way we change to this way 45 degree. Okay, then when you putting the piece, you also has to remember this side was against the wall, suppose towards you, this side, and towards the protractor. Okay, and you see this line is aligned straight to the saw blade. The saw blade and this line you drawn supposed to be straight. Okay, let's see. As you can see, you see the finish, nice finish. This is how the finish will be. Okay, and this is this is how it's going to be. Now we looking about the outside corners. This is 90 degree and is pushing towards outside. Before we saw how to cut on the inside corners, 90 degree cut, 90 degree corner, and this one outside corner. Okay, and here both piece coming like this side goes to the wall and this side supposed to go to the wall like this. Okay, and this is a piece we need to cut to make it 45 degree cut to get good finish for the outside corner. How we do that, I will show you. Okay, now we marking here. Okay, this side supposed to go against the wall. We mark this side supposed to go against this wall, and we mark it here according to this pointy corner. We mark it exactly same as we need to cut like this. Okay, 45 degree angle we mark it like this. Okay, on this piece. For this one we mark exactly same as this corner. We just mark it like this. Okay, now we don't forget about the side goes to the wall. Okay, we mark it also. Okay, one thing again, don't forget, keep both piece on the floor and take one piece, marked piece on the one side first. Leave other piece there. Okay, then take this piece. Now when we come to the saw, okay, there is two ways we can cut it. As I said earlier, we could tilt the saw blade and also we could use the base protractor. Okay, I am not recommending to tilting the saw again. I am recommending to use the base protractor, and this side we mark it. This is the side go against the wall, and this side we keep it against the protractor. Okay, now we mark here 45 degree angle with the pencil, and this way supposed to be the saw blade. if we put like this straight line is perpendicular to the saw blade. Okay, this can be worked out. Okay, then what we need to do, we could put 45 degree this way, then this saw blade can cut straight. Okay, align this base according to this line you draw. Okay, 45 degree. You keep the base here, they have 45 degree. Here you can see they mark it 45. Okay, and you type this one. Okay, frame tight, and keep a little bit hard. You keep the protractor a little bit outside in order to accommodate the piece to cut. Okay, and you turn it on. Now we cut the 45 degree here. Okay, now as you can see, we cut one piece on this side. Now we are going to cut this side. Okay, take this piece out. Okay, the previous piece we cut on this side, right side. Okay, now we need to change this protractor base on this slot on the left side of the saw blade. Okay, and this angle should be changed to other direction 45 degree. Okay, we should change, there is 245 degree, we need to change on the left side 45 degree angle, and we tighten it. Okay, and we mark here this piece against the wall, and this is towards you, and you have to keep exactly same as to the protractor. This side goes to the wall, this side goes to the protractor. Keep against this protractor, and you need to take the protractor a little bit out to accommodate the straight line cut. Little bit hard because this straight line supposed to be aligned with the saw blade. You see, it makes sense, right? When you mark here, this piece supposed to be cut straight, the saw blade supposed to be straight. That's what I am doing. Okay, keep this piece against the saw protractor base. Okay, and give support with both hand, careful. Now I finished the second cut, 45 degree angle, using the protractor on the left side. Now this piece going, we mark here, is going against the wall. Okay, and exactly, you see, one more thing you should remember, when you cutting the quarter round piece, you have to cut very smoothly to get good finish. Okay, you cannot be fast, just push it very slowly, and the cut will be really good finish cut. Okay, now I cut it second time to get smooth finish, because when you cutting slowly it will get good finish. Okay, if you cut it fast, the piece will be rip off the sides. Okay, that's why I cut it second time. As you can see now, you see it's a good finish now. See, it's going to be good finish. Okay, this is the easiest way. Okay, very simple method, don't make mistake, and you could do it with confidence without losing the piece. Okay, this is easy and simple, try it.